Hey loves, welcome back. So today we're gonna have a small unboxing video and a short little install. Let's get to it. I don't know quite where to start. More 3M tape. Let's move it to the side. Alright, so this is my duckbill spoiler. It's gonna go on like this. Give it a little bit of a whoop. So I got the spoiler from Turbo 10th Accord on Instagram. Hit them up if you need anything. Tell them Jen sent you. All right, I'm gonna try to get a good close-up on the color of it. If you can see. Oh, you can't see. Let me flip the camera. So you can kind of see the pearl right there. It comes pre-painted. Wow. Let's get into the install. Wait, this way?
Left.
So this way is wrong.
Yeah, that's wrong.
I just don't want to drop it in here is my issue.
Well, do you need them for the new one?
No, I just don't want to lose them in here because it's going to rattle everywhere.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Show.
What a pain in the ass.
Hold on, let me show the clips.
Do you have any alcohol to clean it?
Not yet. Hold on. Okay, close the trunk. Oh, gross.
Yum.
There's so many clips. There's 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 clips and 2 screws. Sheesh. So I just need to take this off. I might just use gasoline because it takes it off pretty good. And sheesh. And the side too. But otherwise, ooh, girl, it don't look that good right now. So I may or may not need to finish this off tomorrow because I don't know when I can have help over here to help me out, because one, these aren't even my tools. I don't even know where is what. So I need my own tool set. That's what I need to invest in. So my dad is home and we're trying to think of what we can do, because I want to screw this in to make it more stable, but we don't know how we're doing it yet, so we're gonna figure something out. I don't know, but look how cute it'll look. So it was finished last night, but sheesh. So I couldn't record the whole installation part of like screwing it in and everything because one, I couldn't get like the right camera angle and like still have light, so it was too dark to do it. And also my dad doesn't want to be on camera, and I also don't want to put him out on camera like that. So he helped a lot. Obviously he doesn't want me touching my own car. Like as soon as he does something, he wants to do it all by himself. So I was just sitting there trying to like help out as much as possible as he was like drilling them in and everything. But altogether there is 6 screws in there now, and then it is 3M taped all around. So it is pretty secure, but unfortunately all that work is gonna come off here pretty soon, and then we're gonna have to put it right back on because the car is getting wrapped as soon as my wrap arrives, which will also be another video, so stay tuned.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, shots.